this is the lever for the bike, right? Okay, so this is the clutch lever, this one here. So you can see that's how it's look like, right? And it can be twisted just like that. So this is the brake lever. So there you go, you can see. Okay, there you go. So this is the windshield for here, for the bike. There is another bracket. There is two brackets here like this, and there is some screw. Okay, there you go. So this one R is going to right side on the motorbike, on the right side, on the throttle side. Okay, so it's got the left written here. You can see here, left L. So it's going to the clutch side. Where is the clutch lever? Okay, so I'm gonna put these screw back on here and make sure keep loose a little bit. So don't tight this one. Okay, we're gonna adjust it later on. To be honest, I'm not really happy the way this one sits here, because after all the fitting, this is what happened. Maybe I'm wrong, because these holes here, they are big enough to take these washers through. So I'm not happy with that. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unscrew here these ones, right? And then I'm going to make my own washers with this one. I'm gonna cut them. I'm gonna give them a little shave. I'll do a black paint on it, and then in the back I'm gonna put this one on each side. If you want, you can buy the washers, something like this, okay? But I'm not going anywhere right now. When I will go to the market, then I will buy the washers. Until now, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, one washer here in each side. Let's start it. So I did the color paint on this one, not on this one, right? So they look absolutely beautiful, looks stock. So now I'm happy with that. Okay, there is a little lock, little bush. Make sure drive this bush into the clutch lever, okay? So I forgot that, so we're gonna drive that in. So it will be smooth, okay? So let's open this one again. Oh man. I'm gonna go here. Just like that. And then you can drive this back again. There you go. There is no bush. You're going to drive this one straight in, just like that. drive this one back on. Beauty.
The Muffin Man who